Welcome to the underwater world of Sharky and friends. Let's dive into their big day at sea camp. Rise and shine. It's time for two sleepy little sharks to wake up. Mommy Shark tells her daughter and son they get to play games with friends at day camp. The sharks ride the eel bus with an anglerfish and timid turtle. Two smiling starfish hop on, and a seahorse swims beside them. Mom and Dad wave goodbye. Do you like playing hide and seek? The blue shark is searching for his sister, but she is hiding. The jolly dolphin just spotted her. Did you? The race is on. It looks like the speedy shark is in the lead. Everyone is excited and cheering. The red lobster shouts, "Go, go! You can win!" Gather round for story time. The octopus always tells terrific tales. The purple porcupine fish, and all the sea friends listen very closely. Aborted of the day, and the kids are back home after day camp. The whole family is very happy to be all together again. Thanks for swimming with us today. Until next time, keep smiling and stay curious.